Hi, my name is Larry Kruger. I've been in the moving business for over 30 years, and in that time have moved well over 10,000 families. And the one common thread that runs through all the relocations is the stress that it puts on the individual and the family. Move in Hand has developed an application that walks you through the entire process, keeps you on track, and both figuratively and literally helps you take control and take your move in hand and manage the entire process. Move in Hand is made up of 4 actual functions. The first one is a to-do list. When you open it up, you see a number of boxes running down the side, and beside each one there's things that you have to do during a move. Now they're set up in a cafeteria style. If they don't pertain to you, you just simply hit done, and they close and there's a little check mark beside them. If you read it and it pertains to you but you don't have the time to address it at that point, you hit close and it will close and you can revisit it. Once the action has been taken, you again hit done and it gets a little check mark off so you can see how you're progressing through your move. The smaller boxes are made up of simple to-do lists, pick up your laundry, cancel your cable. When the larger boxes on there are supported by another app, which is what we call the Logibuy application. And the Logibuy actually helps you shop for all the services you're going to need during a move, the majority of them. One of the things when you're relocating is that a lot of the services you buy are intangible services. And you're out of your element because you only move on average once every 5 years, if that. So you're not visiting these services, and that adds to the stress. So what the Logibuy does is it helps you put the supplier's name in, you put the price in, the estimated price for the service, you enter the first impression you have of the provider, the added value that they bring to the process, and how they've customized their service to meet your specific needs. You simply save that and it ranks the various suppliers on a 5-star ranking. The price is weighted heavier, but we're also looking at the overall value that the supplier brings to you. So at a glance, when you've had spoke to 3 or 4 suppliers and instantly ranking them, you can take a look at the Logibuy program and it'll give you a logical suggestion as to who you should use. It's up to you whether or not you want to use them, but it's there. If you're moving long distance and for a new job, many of these expenses are tax deductible. So we have a moving expense form. Now, even if you're not deducting these things, you can keep this for your own personal records. And it allows you to basically put the supplier's name in there, the estimated cost, the actual cost, their email address, their phone number, and again, ranking your overall satisfaction with that provider. When you're finished with that service, you send that to a report. On the bottom, there's a little button, Send to Report. And that ends up in an expense report, which at the top, you just send report to me, put your email address in there. You can send it to an accountant or you can send it to your human resource person for reimbursement. If you're doing anything with taxes or reimbursements, you have to keep the hard copies and all your receipts. But what this does is it allows you to staple that or enclose that with your receipts, and it gives whoever is auditing or looking at this a nice quick overview. So it's a very useful application. It keeps you on track. It's useful in many aspects, and it allows you to control the situation. There is advertising opportunities on here. There's banner ads, but they are specific to that particular need. And again, we have an integrity program with our suppliers to add real value. We don't run blue light specials, and we urge you to take a look at them. Thank you very much. Enjoy your move.